Need some Halloween fonts for your projects? Hi, I'm Shanice with Hypnotic Glamour Designs, helping crafters just like you create custom designs even if they don't know where to start. By the end of this video, you will have 7 Halloween themed fonts to use on your projects. Before we get started, today's featured freebie is the free font that you see on your screen right now, so check the pinned comment below to learn how to gain access to that for free. So the first font is Night Halloween, and this font you can also get in the pinned comment below, as this is the free font that we're sharing today. So let's go ahead and take a look at the font specimen so we can see what exactly comes with this. So looking here at the specimen, we see the lowercase and the capitals, and it looks like there's just one case for this font, because if you type a lowercase letter or a capital letter, they both look exactly the same. And it comes with numbers 0 through 9. And then here's just the different font sizes, so you can see what it looks like at different sizes. And then here are all the glyphs. So here are all of the characters that come with this font. So you get your standard characters that you get on that top row of the keyboard. Then, of course, all the letters, and then some other ones too. We have some different symbols, some letters with accent marks on them. All right. The second font is Halloween Autumn, and this is a display font. So before we look at the specimen, let's just look through the different previews that it gives us here. And these are just some ideas of things that you can make with this font. So it looks like the letter O is actually a jack-o'-lantern. So that's pretty fun. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the font specimen. So again, with this one, it looks like also there's just one case. The lowercase and the capitals are the same. So no matter if you do a lowercase letter or a capital letter on your keyboard, you will get the same letter. Also, this font does not come with any special glyphs, so you just get numbers 1 through 9. You don't even get 0, I see, and you get letters A through Z, with letter O being the jack-o'-lantern. The next font we have here is Spooky Halloween, which is a Halloween script font, and it comes with 52 doodles. So let's just take a look at the preview here. So uppercase and lowercase, then it has numbers as well as special characters, and then it has all these different doodles. So fonts like this with the doodles are great for if you want to save time with drawing, or maybe you're not the best at drawing. This takes care of that for you. So here's some ideas of some things you can make. Now let's take a look at the glyphs, or the font specimen. Okay, so we see the lowercase and the capitals. This is like a dripping type of font, so perfect for Halloween. And then you get the numerals 0 through 9. And then here's all the different glyphs. So there's different types of letters that come with accent marks, and you have the different symbols as well. And at the bottom here, we can see all the doodles. So this is what you get when you type a lowercase letter, and this is what you get when you type an uppercase letter. So next we have Bones Halloween font, which is a font made up completely of bones. So let's look at the preview here to see what we get. And it looks like there's a bonus file with skeleton parts, so that's pretty cool. You can make up your own skeleton, or maybe use this pre-made one here. And these are just some ideas of some designs you can make with the font. So let's take a look at the glyphs, or the font specimen. Okay, so it looks like for the most part, the lowercase and the capital letters are exactly the same, with the exception of the O. If you type a capital O, you get this skull instead of the O with the bones. And it has numerals 0 through 9. So this is just pretty much your standard font with the punctuation, maybe just a few different characters, and then the numbers. And please go ahead and give this video a like if you have seen some fonts so far that you would like to use on your Halloween projects. Now we have Halloween, which is another Halloween themed font. Let's go ahead and take a look at the preview images. So here's some different ideas of some phrases or quotes that you can make with these. And this does say this is an all caps font. So something pretty interesting here is that some of these letters allow for, I guess, a subscript letter with the following letter. As you see, the double L here, the R and the E, and the L and the E. Let's go ahead and take a look at the font specimen so we can get some more details on this font. Okay, so it's all uppercase, so capital and lowercase letter, no matter what you type on your keyboard, is going to be the same. They have the numerals 0 through 9. And then it looks like we've got our typical numbers, our letters, our punctuation, and there are some special characters here. It's got these letters with the accent mark and some other special characters, as you see here. So here is another font that is also called Halloween. This is a scary display font. So let's take a look through these preview images here. So here's some ideas, like let's see, some more flyers. It looks like that last one was an ad. And it looks like there's ligatures as well as alternates with this font. So here's the ligatures up here, you can see, and like the double L again for like the word Halloween, for example. And then there's some special characters. And here's a mix of everything together so you can kind of see what all is included in this font: the ligatures, the alternates, the special characters. Let's take a look at the font specimen. Okay, so uppercase and lowercase are going to be exactly the same no matter what you type on your keyboard. It's got numbers 0 through 9 here. It's got the punctuation, the numbers, the letters that we already have seen, and here are the special characters that it has. And then down here in the yellow, these are the ligatures. And now we have Nightmare. This font has bonus dingbats, which we will see, but let's take a look through the previews. So here are just some ideas of some things you can make. Here's a character set. It looks like uppercase and lowercase for the most part are the same. There are some subtle differences, like with the letter K, for example. And it looks like the lowercase letters might be just a little bit shorter, but it's the same style as the uppercase. And then here's some of the numerals and punctuation. And then there's some alternates here with some little swashes at the end of the letter. And there's some ligatures, like for certain words like Halloween, the double L and the double E. And then here are some other fun things with this font. If you type a number on your keyboard, you make a word. It can make a word for you, like hollow, hocus pocus, scary, and stuff like that. This particular font actually is two fonts in one. You get the Nightmare font, and then you get the Nightmare dingbats. And these here are the dingbats. So here's some bonus dingbats. You get these images here, which again, these are great for someone who either doesn't have time to draw, or maybe they're not all that great at drawing, but they still want some images in their project. So let's take a look at the font specimen. Okay, so here's the lowercase and the capitals, the numerals, and then here's the font with glyphs. We have the punctuation here, the letters, the ligatures, these special dingbats here, and then the bonus dingbats here at the bottom. And with the dingbat font, it looks like between the uppercase and the lowercase letters, depending on which you use on the keyboard, you'll get a different dingbat. So that's pretty cool. And here's the rest of these glyphs. All right, I do have actually a couple of bonus fonts to share with you, but before we get to the bonus fonts, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video that's sharing some fonts you can use on your designs just like this one. So first bonus font we have here is Scary Drips. So this is a spooky font. This is a chunkier font with the dripping letters. So let's look at the previews. So here's an idea of something you can make. Here's all the characters. And then here's another idea for a design. So let's take a look at the font specimen. Okay, so uppercase and lowercase in this case are going to be exactly the same. It has the numerals 0 through 9. And then it's got your punctuation here. It looks like some of the punctuation has drippings and some of it does not. Another bonus font we have here is Spooky Sunday, which is a cute Halloween typeface. So let's take a look at the previews here. So it looks like this has uppercase and lowercase, with the lowercase being images. So again, this is another font that is great for if you don't have time to draw, or if drawing is just not your strong suit. You can still have some Halloween themed images added to your design for no effort. Here's a design idea, another design idea. And let's take a look at the font specimen. Okay, so here's the font specimen. It looks like the lowercase letters are the images and the uppercase letters are just your normal letters A through Z. So it has the numerals 0 through 9. And let's just take a look at the glyphs. So it's got the punctuation, the letters, and those images. And it looks like there actually are a few lowercase letters here that are part of the character map. You got an A, an E, an I, and an O. So let me know down in the comments below which one of these fonts is your favorite. Click the video that's on your screen right now to get ideas on how to use these Halloween fonts on your projects.